Hey folks, just a quick update on the bandsaw. That's what I started with, and that's what I made my part out of, or most of it. That came off a John Deere lawnmower deck. And, yeah, how about that? Oh shit. Um, and I checked it up and down, see how they plane with each other, the two wheels, and they're perfect. I can't find anything that's out. I know some of them, it doesn't really matter if, they're tilted one way or another from each other. It's the top one that really matters the most. But man, it came out perfect. But I was gonna make the parts, the trunnion parts, but those are fairly cheap, and I can get those online. And I think I'm gonna order some new blade guides for it. I have enough other projects. I gotta start simplifying somewhere. But anyway, that's where I'm at.